Keeping your Icon Rocklear protected vehicle in great shape is all about simplicity.
Unlike professional ceramic coating companies that require annual inspections, maintenance schedules, expensive reapplications, or even expensive detailing tools for you to maintain that gloss and shine, Icon Rocklear is different. Instead, Icon Rocklear prescribes a simple maintenance method. When your vehicle is dirty, wash it, and when it's wet, dry it. First, wash your vehicle every 2 weeks. Whether you hand wash it, use a foam cannon bath on a Saturday early morning, or take it to a local hand car washing facility, staying on top of your routine car washes will remove stubborn debris that can eventually bond to your coated surface. Now here's a pro tip. Try to avoid those industrial touch washing facilities. Touchless locations are great. Just don't let those filthy, scratch-producing automatic washers try to damage your Icon Rocklear coating. While we can fix those scratches, it'll be an expense that you don't need to spend. A leading culprit that makes all coatings or protective films look horrible is water spots. Don't let your vehicle stay wet for too long. While these water spots can be easily removed from Icon Rocklear, we recommend rinsing your vehicle with fresh water and drying the exterior as soon as possible. Here's another pro tip. Make sure to keep a few plush microfiber drying towels in your vehicle's trunk for these unexpected rain showers. And finally, talk to your certified installer, the one that did your vehicle. They'll be more than happy to walk through all the things that you would have to do to keep your vehicle in optimal shape throughout the year, and potentially even recommend routine washing schedules that fit your needs and your environment across the world. And with that, guys, that's how you should maintain your Icon Rocklear. If you do want to wash your vehicle at home and you have the means and tools, be sure to watch our video on how to wash your vehicle at home with Icon Rocklear in the video linked down below. Thank you for tuning in, and if you have any questions or want to get it on with Icon, give us a call anytime.